So I have seen people lose a lot of money in e-commerce, and it has moved me to make this video to share with you from my experience, from the experience of some of my students and people around me. So from what I'm going to share in this video, you would learn the reasons why people lose money in e-commerce business and how you can avoid losing money. Okay, now e-commerce business, especially in Africa here, because I live in Nigeria, Africa. So e-commerce business in Africa is lucrative. It's a lucrative business. It can make you a millionaire if you do it correctly, if you follow the process and the right steps. I believe that most, if you're watching me now, you might know a few people who have made millions of money doing e-commerce business in Nigeria or in Ghana or in your country. All right, so yes, this business is lucrative and you can make a lot of money from it. Also, in the same way, e-commerce can also make you lose millions of money in a short time if care is not taken. All right. And of course, certain factors are responsible for this. And that's why I'm making this video. I'm making this video to share with you 7 reasons why people lose money in e-commerce business and how you can avoid it. My name is Courage and you're welcome to my channel. I will ask that you please give this video a thumbs up. Just like the video so that more people get to see my video. If you are new here and you like more content like this on e-commerce, affiliate marketing, advertising, sales, how to run your business, online business, and how to make money online, you may consider subscribing to my channel and also turn on the bell icon so you get to be among the first people to be notified whenever I publish videos. So without wasting time, let's dive in. So I'm going to be straight up forward and quick about this. So the first one is bulk buying of products without testing. All right, this is a rookie mistake. Only amateurs make this kind of mistake, and it will cost you a lot of money. People just see a product and they think okay, because this product is nice, or they think it will sell, or they love it, something like that, and then you go and buy. Back in the days when we used to do mini importation, people would just import a lot of products. I made that mistake also. I had this bulk of products in my room. In fact, it got to a point I started giving it out as souvenir. Started dashing people. That was a loss. That was a huge loss of money. You don't make that mistake. Before you buy any product in bulk, you must first buy one and test. Run the advert, test the validity, test how the market reacts to the product. If the market accepts it, if the orders are coming in, then you can go ahead and buy, not in large quantity, but just portion it so that you don't go and overbuy and then you are not able to sell it and then you are losing money. So yes, stop buying products in bulk without testing. You will tie your money down and you may lose money if you are unable to sell it. Okay, so buying it in bulk, instead of buying 100 pieces at once, you can buy 30, you can buy 40, you can buy 50. But make sure you test first and verify that the product is selling before you now go ahead and start buying in larger quantities. The second one is that they don't work with delivery agents. This will cost you a lot of money, okay? You can't do this business, this e-commerce business on your own, alone, without help. You need people to help you cover more ground. You need to get reliable self-delivery agents so that they can make your delivery faster. Because let's imagine that you receive 10 orders in a day. Can you cover the 10 in one day? Can you cover it alone? But if you have delivery agents who help you, it is easier for you to cover your orders in that same day, because money is not always with people. If you delay the delivery, the customer might use the money for something else. And then when you come, they'll start telling you stories or they'll start postponing the purchase. Okay? And then if you don't use delivery agents, it means that you can only cover within your region. People like us, we sell in Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt. We have delivery agents scattered all around the country. So I can afford to target certain states in Nigeria. If the order comes in, I have delivery agents with the products on standby who can deliver. So it makes my delivery faster, thereby helping me to make this money faster. But assuming I don't have those delivery agents, if I see order from maybe Kaduna or from Abuja, I will just be weak. I'll just ignore it. Then I'm losing money because I used money to run adverts to attract those customers. So I need to recover my money. Learn to work with delivery agents. Find reliable ones. Find them. Find a way to find them. Go on Facebook. Type delivery agents. On Facebook, go to the search bar. Type self-delivery agents. You will see people who have made posts with list of delivery agents. Contact the ones there. Speak with them first. Have a conversation with them before you go ahead and start using them. Have a conversation, have an agreement, and then know if you can use them or not. But you need to work with delivery agents. They will help you cover more ground. They'll make your delivery faster and then help you get this money quicker. The third one is they leave money for long in the hands of delivery agents. You see this mistake. If you like yourself, run from these mistakes because your money you will hear stories. The delivery agents I use, once they deliver today, you send my money. You send my money. I don't want to hear your family stories. I don't want to hear your family history. I don't want to hear your problems. Everybody has problems. I'm not telling you my own. Keep your own to yourself. Once you deliver my product, send my money as it is hot. Don't allow your money to, you can tell them, okay, wait, okay, just hold them till you reach 50K, till you reach 100K before you send them. No, don't do that. If today you deliver 5 products and maybe my profit on each product is about maybe the product has a profit margin of let's say 10,000 naira. Let me just make an example of 10,000 naira, which is small though. So you delivered 5. That's 5 times 10 is 50,000, and then you are charging me 3,000 per delivery. So you need to remove your 3,000 times 5, 15,000 from the 50K. So I now have 35K left. Send me my 35K as it is hot. Send it that evening once you get home and relaxed. Don't tell me that the POS agent has this or that the bank is. No, you have money in your account. Send it to me. Then that other one in your hand, take it. That's how it works. If you don't send it that very day, first thing the next morning, send my money before I give you new orders. If you have not sent the money in your hand, I will not give you the new orders for you to deliver so that we don't get issues. Don't leave your money for long in the hand of delivery agents. They will tell you stories and you'll be frustrated. Number 4, this mistake is crazy. People load up money in their ad account. They load up ad account with lots of funds. Don't make this mistake, especially if you are using the prepaid account, that is Naira ad account. You have to schedule your funding. Schedule your funding. For instance, if in 1 week I'm spending say 200,000 in advert in 1 week. I'm just giving an example because sometimes we spend way more than this. Now, if I'm spending more than 200, if I'm spending 250K in 1 week on adverts, I will not load my ad account with 250K. I'm not crazy. Am I mad? If Facebook ban me, my money will just go like that. I will schedule it. I will schedule it, proportion it. I will put like 50K, 30K. Okay, let's take an example. If you spend 5K a day on ads, if you spend 5,000 naira a day on ads, what you should do is load your ad account with 15,000 or 20,000 so that you know that every three days you'll be loading it with 15,000. Every three days you schedule it so that once it's getting to 3 days, you go and top up. Once it's getting to 3 days again, you go and top up. Don't just go and load, okay, this week I'm going to spend 100,000. You now put 100,000. But are you the owner of Facebook? If Mark wake up one day and flag your other account, because it is prepaid, all the money will vanish. If they flag your other account, the money in there will go. So schedule your funding. If you're spending 5,000 a day on advert, it means that after 3 days you have spent 15K. Load up your ad account with maybe 17,000 naira. So that before that 17,000 expires, the next 3 days, you go and load another 17,000. Upper 3 days, you're doing it like that to be on the safe side so that if after 1 day or 2 days, they flag your other account, maybe what is now left there is 3,000 or 4,000, you can manage. But imagine you load it with 150K, 200K, and they flag it. Your money is gone for vanishing. No redemption. So please, schedule your funding and be on the safe side. The fifth one is they sell common products and then they do not have a great offer. The beauty or the joy of e-commerce is when you sell products that are not readily seen, readily available, that are not easily found in the market. If you run adverts for a product, and me, I know that if I just go downstairs there to the store in my estate or to the market nearby, I will see the product. Then there's no point buying it from you online. I'll just go and buy it where I know it's cheaper. That is why you must sell uncommon products. All right? So that people, if they rack their head, they'll just buy from you. All right? But even if you want to sell common products, you can use a different marketing angle and also make a great offer. Do you know why people lose money when they sell common products? Because they already bought the product, so they're not able to sell it. And again, you are spending money on ads without results. You are spending money on ads without result because your product is common. People can get it anywhere. So the more money you spend on ad without result, you are burning your funds. You are wasting money. You are losing money, and you don't want this to happen to you. For instance, if you are selling weight loss products and you know that this weight is very common now, I've seen it. I've seen it there. I've seen it here. I can see it in the chemist store, in the pharmacy store. It's everywhere. You can change the marketing angle. Instead of making it about weight loss completely, you can change it to 28 days belly fat burner for new moms. So now your marketing angle is not targeting people who want to lose weight. Everybody, no, you are now targeting only new moms. Do you now see that a common product that was targeting everybody who is losing weight, we have removed it from that section. We have now used a different marketing angle to target a section of the market only, not everybody. So even if you are fat and it's not for you, we are not selling to you. This product is only for new moms who want to lose their belly fat faster in 28 days, in 35 days, in 2 months. And then what do? You now add up more offers that will make them want to buy it faster. All right? In this way, you have picked up a very common product and rearranged it, repackaged it, make it look very nice, and then sell it to a market that is different from every other market. You have to always think smartly. If you want to be a marketer, you have to think smartly and find ways to creatively move things from where it is to another point that would make people desire it. Think smartly. The sixth reason is because they use ad creative that every other person is using. This one is very common. I always advise my students, I advise people around me, don't go and download video from Facebook or from Instagram or from Google and start using it to run adverts. You will fail, because that video, people are seeing plenty businesses using it. It's common. And there's this thing about Facebook algorithm, the AI, yeah? If a certain video has been used tremendously for a long period of time, the Facebook AI will start pushing that video below the pecking order. They might have flagged it or pinned it somewhere so that more people who are using that video will be getting lesser results while spending more money. So for you to be out of that pit, out of that dungeon, it is best that you simply draw inspiration from that video and make your own video. What is there? Pick your phone, buy the product, one, use it, see how it works, see the angles where you can fill up the missing link. Because when you watch other videos, you will see that, okay, yeah, this is how they did it. This is how they did it. Okay, I can do my own this way. I can show these benefits here because this person did not show the benefits. I can show them how to do this because this person did not show it. Then you have known what to do. You now know your own script. You now pick the product, put your phone on a tripod or let somebody video you. You begin to explain this and begin to show how it works. When I was selling blender last year, I did my video myself. You see all those blenders that people are using to blend bottle. People were using all those white people's blender, all those different. I bought one blender. Okay. I had someone to video me right in my sitting room. I was blending the bottle and I was speaking both normal English. I was speaking pidgin. I was speaking Igbo, everything just for people to understand using different angle, blend bottle, blend beans, showing people different angles would would appeal to them. And guess what? That advert caught fire. We sold man, not to talk, but we sold a lot because of what? Making my own creative by myself and speaking a language that your audience will understand. So draw inspiration from other people's videos and make your own. Your phone is there for a reason. Use your camera. 7, they don't use a sales page. Now, let me tell you, WhatsApp is good. WhatsApp is fine. Even if you don't have money for sales page, you can start using WhatsApp, but don't dwell on WhatsApp. All right? A sales page will make you more money than WhatsApp because even while you are sleeping, for instance, as I am here now making this video today, it's past 12 a.m. It's 11 a.m. in the morning, right? If I go to bed, if I wake up, I will have orders waiting for me. All I'll just do is my staff will just, my members of staff, the girls there, they will start calling the customer in the morning once they resume work. They'll start calling the customers. And then delivery will start. If it was WhatsApp, I would have to first of all respond to their message, respond to message. How many messages will you respond to? Respond before you now give them, okay, they'll now give you address and stuff. You'll be overwhelmed. It will wear you out. But a sales page, they go there, they read the information, they see everything, they click on that button, they fill the form with their information. In the morning, you call them, you deliver. If you use WhatsApp, in one day, you can make 2 sales or 3. You might make more depending on how you're able to close, right? If you use a sales page, in one day, you can make 10 sales, depending on how you are also able to arrange your sales funnel. Okay? Use a sales page. Learn how to create sales page. There are different tools like Insta Builder, Tribe Architect, Elementor, Card, even Card. Learn to use Card. There's System.io. These products are for creating sales pages. Use them. Learn how to use them to create a sales page, and you will make sales. All right? Then when you have customers, you can now begin to move them to WhatsApp so that you can sell to them subsequently. But learn how to use a sales page and use it to your own advantage. All right. Now there are many more reasons why people lose money in e-commerce. I'm not going to lie. There are many more reasons, but these are just the most common ones. All right. So once you tackle these reasons, I assure you, you begin to see some improvement. You begin to see some progress. You begin to make more money in your e-commerce business. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. Please make sure you like this video. Make sure you share. And if you have any questions, I'm always happy to answer your questions in the comments below. So use the comment box below to ask me your questions and I'll be there to answer and solve your problems. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Twitter @CourageNgele. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.